Hello children, today we will start G Science chapter 3 and in chapter 3 we will study about animals, birds. So first let us know about birds. Birds are beautiful and they can fly in the lovely bright sky. For food they wander here and there. When food is found, they return to share. Everybody like to listen, chirping of sparrow or the lovely sound koel make. Birds live on trees. Let us learn more about this wonderful creature. Like other living organism, birds too need food. Some birds like to eat grains, fruits and seeds, while others eat the flesh of animals. Birds use their beaks and claws to hold, catch and eat food. So we use our mouth and hand to eat food. Let us learn about their beaks and claws. So now we will learn about different types of beaks. Beaks serve as the mouth for birds. Birds have no teeth to break the food. So they use their beak to catch and eat the food. Now we will study about different types of beaks. See here, I am showing some pictures. See carefully. So let's start. Of birds on the basis of beaks. All birds have beaks. You can see here many types of birds. All birds have beaks. So beaks are made up of hard substance. The shape of bird's beaks depend upon the type of food it eats. So as bird don't chew their food, crush or tear the food. The different types of beaks are. So see here first, short and hard beaks. Now we will start types of beak, and here first is short and hard beaks. So which bird have short and hard beaks? Birds like sparrow, pigeons, peacock and robins. So they have short and hard beak. So bird with curved beaks help the bird in eating fruit and cracking hard nuts and seed quite easily. Now all of you see here. So these are parrots which have curved beaks. So now birds with such beaks find it easy to crush. Now I am talking about birds with crushing beaks. Birds with such beaks find it easy to crush grains, nuts and seeds. Pigeon, sparrow, robins. So these are the example of short and hard beaks. So now next is sharp, strong and hooked beaks. So vulture, eagle and owls are called birds of prey. They have sharp, strong and hooked beaks. You know what is hooked beak? Now see here. See this beak. The upper portion of the beak curved down over the lower portion and comes to a sharp point. Birds with piercing and tearing beaks help birds who hunt small animals. So tearing beak help birds who hunt small animals to pierce their prey and tear its flesh. Now see here example. Eagle, kites, hawks, and vultures. So they have sharp, strong, and hooked beaks. So now next is strong and chisel shaped beaks. Now see here, what is the example of that? A woodpecker. A woodpecker has a sharp, strong, and chisel shaped beak. So this beak help it to make holes in the tree trunk. Now all of you look here. Such birds have strange but long chiseling beaks. Now all of you see here, long chiseling beak. They use it to make hole in the trees to get bugs. So they also use it as a chisel to make a hole in trees in which serve as a nest. And the example is woodpecker. So now next is long and pointed beaks. Birds like hummingbird and sunbird have long tube-like pointed beaks. Now if you see here how the beak shape, it's tube-like pointed beak. Now if you see the beaks, how long and it's tube-like. So some birds have long and pointed beaks to suck nectar from flower. It helps the bird look for nectar or insect inside the flower. So for example, hummingbird. And you know, hummingbird is the world's smallest bird. Now let's start next. Broad and flat beaks. So birds, water birds like duck and geese have broad and flat beaks with holes on either side. Now beaks that are broad and flat with small hole. Can you able to see this hole? See this? Small holes on both sides are called shifting beaks also. Okay? So birds such as duck look for small fish and insects near pond and stream. The mud and water pushed out through the holes like a sheep leaving the food behind. So come to next. So next is short and broad beaks. So which bird has short and broad beaks? See the picture? Swallow. Insect eating birds like swallows have short and broad beaks. They fly with their beaks wide open and catch insects from the air. So birds having such short and broad beaks. Now all of you see carefully. Short and broad beaks fly in the air with their beaks open to catch the flying insects. So what are the example? Swallow. So now next is broad, long and sharp-edged beak. So what is the example of that? A pelican. A pelican is a type of large water bird. It catches fish and keeps them in the bottom part of the beak, which is shaped like a large beak. So this bird helps to catch fish, frog and crabs. So children, now we have completed types of beaks. I hope you have understood this. So in next class, I will explain about feet and claws. Okay. So now your homework time. All of you see carefully. Test yourself. Tick the correct option. The hummingbird, number 1 is the hummingbird suck nectar from a flower with its broad and flat beaks, long and pointed beak, strong and chisel shaped beak, and last is short and broad beak. So which is the correct option? Long and pointed beak. So now next, this bird uses its sharp, strong and hooked beak to eat small insects: sparrow, sunbird, vulture, pelican. So vulture is the correct. Okay. So now next, which is not correct about water birds? They have broad and flat beaks. It's correct option. They eat small plants or tiny water animal. This is also correct option. They have long tube-like pointed beak. Is it correct? No, this is not correct. They have holes on either side of the beak. This is also correct. So here they have long tube-like pointed beak. Only this is wrong. Okay. What you do in your homework? Now children, your next homework. See carefully. Write the name of birds. Number 1. Birds have shifting beak. Birds have curved beak. Birds have crushing beak. Birds have piercing and tearing beak. Bird with chiseling beak. And last, birds which catches its prey while flying. So this also you do in your G Science note copy. Okay. So children, this also you do in your homework. Okay. And you read this chapter till types of beaks. Till that, thank you.